right, I'm excited to be here. I'm excited you're here. My good morning wasn't going to be good enough. Matt does a really good morning. Get some energy in the room. So thank you all for being here. How many of you, this is your first conference? All right, cool. So I want to recognize a few groups. Number one, everybody here. Give yourselves a round of applause for being here.
Do you have a leadership problem? Frontline training, leadership, human performance, incident prevention. How to implement leadership, human performance into your safety and health management system. The program you need for your frontline leaders.
Number two, if you're giving a presentation and you got a cool little speaker sticker, stand up.